Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a Q&A. I post up on Instagram and you guys ask questions, so I'm going to answer them. If that's something that you are interested in watching, then stick around. Okay guys, so today we're going to do a Q&A. I'm just going to hop right in here. I'm not going to say who asked them. I'm just going to say the question and answer it. Okay, so the first question is, what do you like to do in your free time besides makeup? That would be, my dog. I love spending time with my dog and my kids. So it's really about that. And I like to shop, obviously. What's your favorite color? Pink. How did you meet your hubby? I was dating a guy like way back in like 2001, and he had come over to my house. I met him that way, and then and we hung out a few times, and then I hadn't seen him in 15 years, 16 years, and me and my ex had just split up, and he messaged me on Facebook, and we started hanging out from there. Okay, and let's see. What is the one makeup product that you can't live without? That's foundation. Foundation. And right now, my favorite is the Shape Tape foundation. At what age did you start loving makeup? I mean, I always used it throughout high school, but I think it's because I felt like I needed to. Because I had like a really bad complexion, like I still do now. You can't really tell, but some of you guys have seen me like do masks and things like that, or just take off my makeup at night in a live. Like, my complexion's bad. What was the very first makeup product you bought? That would have been, I believe, eyeliner in high school. Yeah. It would have been eyeliner. That was the first thing I started with. That and those little CoverGirl round compacts. I have one of those too. When did you get married? I got married 2 years ago in September. No, sorry. August. Yeah. Okay, how long have you been with your husband? 3.5 years. Going on 4. How long have you lived where you are? I've lived here. In November will make 3 years. Did you always love makeup and couldn't live without it? No, I didn't actually. Okay, sorry. I don't know what he was doing, but it was really loud. Next question is... Let's see here. What kind of makeup looks do you do outside of YouTube? The same ones I do on YouTube, usually. I don't really have like an outside look unless I'm just not wearing makeup. What are your everyday makeup products? Everything that I go full on whenever I do. Usually, if I don't, it's because I'm in a super big hurry and literally, like, I would just slap, like, 2 colors on, like, really quick, and, just a real quick, like, eyeliner. It's either I do my makeup or I don't. I don't, like, you know, half-ass it. I do the whole thing, or I just don't do it. But my everyday makeup products would be my Shape Tape, concealer and foundation, my Laura Mercier powder, my ABH Brow Wiz, right now I've been using my Soft Glam palette a lot, so there'd be that, my Marc Jacobs contour, and I'm gonna forget a lot, but just everyday, you know, everyday stuff. What makeup products do you want to try but haven't been able to get? There's a couple things, but I'm trying to remember. More so skincare lately, but I guess it says makeup products. There really isn't nothing that I haven't gotten. Not that I can think of, besides wanting like a couple different like palettes, like I mean, the Take Me Back to Brazil I wanted really bad, but it's on its way here. I pretty much like have everything that I want right now, but I'm sure there'll be, you know, some things that I will want here soon. Okay, what did you do before becoming a YouTuber? Well, that's kind of a hard question. I mean, the same things I basically do now, you know. I'm a mother, I'm a wife. I help care for my husband's 2 elderly grandparents. I have my dog. That's basically it. Okay, what made you decide to become a YouTuber? Oh, I just wanted to share my life with people. I wanted to meet some awesome people. I've watched YouTube videos for a very long time and decided to give it a shot for myself. Okay, and how did you meet your wonderful YouTube network of friends? By absolute luck. I was just on YouTube. I was going to different smaller YouTuber channels and checking out their videos and stuff, and it just so happened I actually ran into Nicole, and oh boy, I asked her so many questions. Like, she was so helpful, so nice. And then I believe I met Summer in one of her lives, and pretty much just met everyone from there. In which I am like so grateful I did. I love, love, love my YouTube family. Okay, what is your favorite makeup look to do? You know, the Soft Glam palette, I mean, pretty much says it all. Like, soft, like, glam. Like, I, like, full on out, like, it used to be more neutral looks. I just started dabbling in color, and which I really have been liking a lot. Like, color scared me. Like, black scared me. Bright, bright, bright color scared me, as you can see today. Like, I'm just loving the color. Loving the color. What is your favorite item in your makeup collection? That would have to be my Soft Glam palette. And I know I keep going on and on about Soft Glam palette. You guys are probably going to think that's the only palette I have. No. Like, actually, if I had to say item, actually, my favorite item would be my makeup train. Because it's pretty, it's pink, and it is, like, awesome. That would be it right here. Yeah. So, the next question is, what one item do you think everyone should have in their makeup slash skincare collection slash routine? One item. A good exfoliator. 100% a good exfoliator. I love masks. I love, you know, I've just started really getting into skincare and things. But the one thing that, like, you absolutely must have is, like, an exfoliator. You can't be having all that dead skin just... Okay, next question. Do you have a favorite makeup slash skincare brand? I really don't have like a favorite. I have lots of favorites. I mean, I don't have one particular favorite, no. Okay, and let's have to, so next question is, why did you start YouTube? I think I already answered that one. I started YouTube just because, like, I love watching YouTube videos, and I just thought I'd give it a shot for myself. Favorite makeup items. Once again, my makeup train. I love my eyeshadow collection. Like I do. I think I have pretty much a little bit of everything. All the main big palettes I have. I do lack in drugstore products. I don't know. I'm not interested in going out and getting the brand new Wet n Wild. I don't know. I'm just not really interested in that. I've had like really bad experiences with drugstore makeup. I mean, I do have the L'Oreal Infallible, which I do like that, but I haven't worn that in forever. So, I don't know. I need to start getting back into, you know, messing with those kind of things, especially for like everyday looks at home, you know. But okay, favorite music. I kind of like all like genres of music. I don't really have like one specific, like I don't like country. Like I do not like country at all. I don't know. I pretty much like it all. Favorite movies. I like comedy and romantic comedies. I like scary movies also. None like in particular that are my favorite. I like more series, like TV series. Have I always lived in Pennsylvania? Yes, I have. Makeup items you are excited to try. I'm really excited to try the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. That's one that I haven't tried yet that I really want to try. Oh, and to answer the other question, something I haven't tried. I really would like to get some of the Buxom lippies. I have not tried those yet. First YouTubers you watched. I'd say that as far as the first YouTubers, the BBC channel actually, with all their like crazy weird documentaries and stuff. But the actual first YouTubers I watched, I believe, would be like, you know, the like Manny MUA, Laura Lee, and Jeffree Star, things like that. Favorite holiday? Definitely Christmas. Favorite foods? For those of you that know me, you know, I love my chocolate milk. I love my smoothies. I love chocolate. I love candy. I love junk food. Making filet mignons for dinner tonight, but I do not like steak. I only like those. Favorite color, again, pink. Favorite things to do besides makeup? That would be spend time with my kids, my husband, and my puppy Bubby. How did you come up with Bubby's name? Funny story. That was the last question, by the way. Funny story is, when I first got her, she was supposed to be a boy, and she had a swollen vulva. Whenever I got her, she was in pretty bad shape. She was only 5 weeks old when they handed her over to me, and she had about 5 brothers and sisters, and she was heavily infested with fleas and worms. She was starving to death. So she was basically like, I rescued her and she rescued me back. But we thought that she was a boy and we were gonna name her Pacino. That's what my husband picked out. Well, when we went to the doctor, went back to the vet, the first couple times it was never brought up, anything. Then, you know, the maybe third or fourth time she was to the vet, because she was there a lot at first because of her health issues. They said, I asked, I said, when is his testicles gonna drop? And the vet just kind of laughed and said, well, they're not, because she's a girl. And I was like, well, why does she have, you know, a thingy there? And the vet basically said, just laughed and said no comment. So we had to come up with another name, and everybody was just like, oh, Pacina, just put the O as an A, Pacina. And I'm just like, meh. And it didn't matter, because I always say, hey, bub. Like, I don't know, it just came out. I'm like, hey, bub, come here, bub. So, Bubby. That was just how I came up with her name, pretty much. I don't know. Kind of an odd name just to start saying, but that's how it came about. Okay, guys, so that is everything for today. Thanks for watching, and if you are not subscribed, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you get notified of any of my future uploads. And for everyone that is returning to my channel, thank you so much for your support. I love you guys, and I will see you Friday.